Are you thinking about starting a new YouTube channel, but still stuck between the right choice of a video editor? Here we have the solution for you. Hey guys, this is Raghav and I welcome you on Digital Learning 44. Today in this video, I'm gonna share with you top 6 free video editing softwares. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So the first software in the list is DaVinci Resolve 16 and 17. 17 is currently in the beta state, but the 16 is being in the market for quite some time. But 17 is also available to download now, so we'll talk about the 17 in this video. So before talking about the software, if you are a beginner in video editing, I personally would not recommend this software for you because it's a really heavy software and require a really heavy machine. So now let's talk about the features of this software. DaVinci Resolve is the world's only software that combines editing, color, visual effects, motion graphics and audio post-production all in one software tool. DaVinci Resolve is one of the best software available in the market and currently has set an industry standard. This software is widely used in various Hollywood movies and media houses for creating and editing films and videos of high quality. So if I talk about the interface of the software is pretty good for the advanced level video editor, not for the beginner. If you are a beginner, you will face some issues with the interface as well because it has given us many tools, and if you haven't done video editing before, so you might take some time or might get confused in various tools, and you might take some time to learn and get familiar with lot of tools. So the best thing about the interface of DaVinci Resolve is it provides a separate tab for almost every tool it has provided. So if you want to edit, it is done in the edit tab. Visual effects and motion graphics are done on the fusion tab, color correction on the color tab, audio on the fairlight tab, and media organization and the output of the media is done on the deliver tab. All it takes a single click to switch between these tabs. One of the another feature for DaVinci Resolve is this is the best and the free color correction tool available in the market. The color tab inside this software has plenty of tool sets to get the cinematic look that we have always wanted. But mind it, it's a very heavy software and require heavy machine to run it. Now let's check out the minimum system requirement for this software. So to run this software, you would be needing minimum of i7 processor, and the recommended is i9, which itself is a very heavy processor. And if I talk about the RAM, the minimum RAM requirement is 16 GB and recommended is 32 GB plus. So you can understand by this how heavy this software is. And if I talk about the GPU, which is your graphic card, you would be needing minimum of 4 GB of graphic card and recommended is 8 GB plus. And if you are doing a video editing, SSD is must nowadays for every software. So now let's talk about the two versions available of this software. The first one is DaVinci Resolve, which is free, and the second one is DaVinci Resolve Studio, which will cost us around 25,900 Indian rupees. The free version has almost everything available in the studio version, but the only difference is studio versions come with some advanced tools which are used to get that cinematic looks and used in Hollywood movies. This software comes from the company called Blackmagic. To download this software, let's go to the Blackmagic site. And to download this software, you can directly click on download, and here you can see we have the 4 options with us. The first one is DaVinci Resolve 17 and the another one is DaVinci Resolve 16. So as 17 is already available to download, so I would recommend to download the 17 since it will be having the latest features and tools available. DaVinci Resolves come in almost all the major platforms available: Mac, Windows and Linux. You can download as per your operating system, and these two are the paid versions, DaVinci Resolve Studio 17 and DaVinci Resolve Studio 16. Again, you would be only needing the free version, so you can directly click on Windows. And remember, you just need to register with the Blackmagic with some basic details, your name, your email, your address, and then you will be good to download this software. So few things to remember for this software. If you're a beginner and never done video editing before, so this is not for you. You can choose another one in the list coming up. So if you do not have the system with the recommended specs, this software would not help you in editing the videos and you will face challenges and slowness in future. So the next one in the list is Shotcut. Shotcut is an open source video editor that you can use on Mac, Windows and Linux. This simple video editor is completely free and has no pro version, so there is no need for an upgrade. This program is highly recommended for you if you are thinking of starting a YouTube channel and looking for what YouTubers use to edit videos. Shotcut is one of the best software for the beginners who are just entering into the video editing industry and looking for an easy to use software. It's a pretty easy software for the ones who are entering into the video editing industry and wanting to learn video editing. Shotcut is a great video editor. It has all the basics for a video editor like cut, delete, overlay, text, zoom, etc. and more. It has a great features, a unique interface and definitely gets the job done to your satisfaction. The platform works with resolutions as high as 4K and has a broad format support which highlights its impressive capabilities. Although the interface is little different from other video editing softwares, but if you use it for a couple of days, you'll be easily able to understand and use this software pretty easily. Some of the features that make Shotcut a top-notch editor include wide format support, multiple audio features, video effects, editing features, and codec independency. It also supports various hardware, so if you are just beginning into the video editing and wanted to use a simple and easy interface software, Shotcut is one of the best software to learn video editing and to start with. Even though Shotcut is a simple software, but it provides you good exporting options, good filters for using color grading. You can color grade your videos and movies by using the color grading filters. The reason I am recommending this software for the beginner is this software doesn't require a heavy machine. You can operate this software with 2 GHz of processor and minimum of 4 GB of RAM. And if you have a decent GPU, this software works perfectly for you. Now let's talk about how to download this software. You can directly go to the shotcut.org, click on download, and here is the link for downloading. If you're downloading for Windows, you have this option. And if you have Linux or Mac, you can directly click here and download it accordingly. So in the end, things to remember for Shotcut is it's a easy to use software, and if you are just starting with the video editing, it's a really good to go software, and if you do not have a powerful machine, Shotcut will do wonders for you. So now let's talk about the third one in the list, which is HitFilm Express. This software is available in 2 versions. First one is free and second is pro. So for the free version, you just need to register on the website if you want to use it without any watermark. HitFilm Express is a free video editing software with professional grade VFX tools and everything you need to make awesome content. Perfect for the beginners, film students, gamers, YouTubers or any creative without a budget. This software is available for Mac and Windows only. The best thing about this software is it gives you pre-designed ideas when you open the software and lets you use these ideas to enhance your video. This software has a very easy interface like other video editors available in the market. If you have ever used any video editing software, it will be really easy for you to understand this software and you can get familiar with the tools and interface pretty easily. Another good feature about this software is it provides you a plenty of add-ons and filters to add to your videos, but make sure you add the free one, else you will get the software watermark for the paid ones. If you are experienced or professional video editors, this software provides you advanced tools like masking, green screen and lots of different tools that you can play with. You can go for pro version for more features, but if you are a beginner, then free one is best for you. This software doesn't require a very heavy system. It will work on minimum of 4 GB of RAM, but 8 GB is recommended, and if you have a decent graphic card, it will work for you. But if you want to use 4K, you'd be needing a heavy graphic card. So now let's talk about how to download this software. To download this software, you can directly write on Google HitFilm Express, or you can directly go on the website of fxhome.com and you can find the download link is here. You can click on download and you can directly download the free version. As you can see, there are paid versions also available, but if you want to download the free version, you can directly download it from here. Once you click here, it will ask for some basic details to register with FX Home, and then you are good to download this software. So now let's talk about the next one in the list, VSDC. If you don't have a powerful computer, then VSDC video editor might just be what you are looking for. This video editor will help you for editing video files and creating videos of any complexity involving various visual and audio effects. The program offers rich functionality and yet has a simple interface, allowing you to create videos with a bare minimum of efforts. You may download this video editor software and use it completely free without any restrictions, no trial period, no watermarks, no ads, but this software is only available on Windows. Like Shotcut, this software is also a very light software and doesn't require any powerful computer. If you have a basic computers with basic specifications, then also you can use this software for editing videos. Now let's talk about the system requirements. Since this system is only available for Microsoft Windows, so if you have any Windows starting from XP to Windows 10, this software will run in your system pretty easily. VSDC doesn't require a very heavy processor, a 1.5 GHz or higher will work, and it just requires a 1 GB of RAM to run the software. So from this you can judge it's a pretty easy and simple software to use but with powerful features. Some of the good features about this software is being a simple and basic software. It provides you the features like 4K export. You can export the videos up to 4K. It provides you the option of direct YouTube upload. It gives you the option of video stabilizer and many more features like this. For a free software, these features are really good to have. Another features include screen and video capture, and it can also edit 360-degree videos. This software also consists of various color effects which you can use in your videos to create a good visual impact. One thing about this software is terminology of this software is little different from the existing video editors, but once you use it for a couple of weeks, you can easily understand the terminology and you will get used to this software. So now let's talk about how to download this software. To download this software, you can directly write on Google VSDC video editor, or you can directly go to the website www.videosoftdev.com. And from the home page, you can directly download this software by clicking on download, and this software will start downloading. So points to remember for this software is if you do not have a powerful computer or laptop, then this software is for you. You can use this software to edit some basic videos, but remember this software has some powerful tools which you can use for creating some great videos. So now let's talk about the next one in the list, that is OpenShot. OpenShot editor is an award-winning open source video editor software available on Linux, Macs and Windows. OpenShot can create stunning videos, films and animation with an easy to use interface and rich feature set. This software is very simple to use and pretty easy for the beginners. OpenShot is all about simplicity. When you will use this software, you will realize how simple this software is as compared to other video editors. Even if you haven't done any video editing before, you will take a couple of hours to understand this software and you can easily use this software to go with. This software is not with lots of heavy features as other softwares, but good for beginners with not so powerful computers. Despite of very simple interface and simplicity of this software comes with lots of good export options, which is a bare minimum requirement for any video editing software. Now let's talk about the system requirement for this software. Minimum 4 GB of RAM and 16 GB is recommended for high video qualities such as 4K, 500 MB of the hard disk, and of course a SSD, which is always a good option to have if you are entering into video editing space. Now let's check out the website of this software. To download OpenShot, you can directly write on Google OpenShot, or you can visit the website openshot.org. As from this screenshot, you can see that how simple the interface of this software is. It doesn't complicate the interface with many tools and features. It just provides you the basic tools that are required for a video editing, and you can easily understand with this very simple interface of this software. And for more features, you can check the website of this software, and here are the features. You can go through these features and use in your videos. Now let's talk about how to download this software. To download the software, you can directly go to the website of OpenShot.org, and here is the website. You can directly download from here as per your operating system. So the last one in the list is Lightworks. Lightworks is also a cross-platform software available in Windows, Mac and Linux. It's a simple yet powerful tool available for the video editing. It's available in two versions. First one is free and another one is paid. This is another powerful tool that many YouTubers use to edit videos. Lightworks has an interface like DaVinci Resolve. This software also gives you an option of separate tabs for the separate tools. When you add any video, it is kept in bins. You can drag them from bins to the timeline, and as you work on the clips, you can view them from the edit review panel. The drag and drop method makes it easy to edit clips and shots in Lightworks. This program lets you grade and blend colors to improve your video image, blurs, color correction and masks. It also provides you option to add few effects you can use to edit your clips. In addition to many preset effects available in Lightworks, you can create custom made effects to give your video a unique touch. One of the good features of this software is you can export your project directly to the YouTube, even add meta tags to make it easier to find your videos on the web. Keep in mind that your video quality cannot be higher than 720p because when you are using the free version of Lightworks, it only provides you the option to export up to 720p for YouTube. For the higher quality, you need to buy the pro version of this software. So now let's talk about the minimum system requirement for this software. It requires minimum i7 processor and bare minimum of 3 GB of RAM, which will make this software work pretty easily on your computer, and you can go through the specs and check whether your system is capable for this software or not. So now let's talk about how to download this software. You can directly write on Google Lightworks, or you can go to the website www.lwks.com and you can directly click on download now. It is completely free software available for download. Another good thing about this software is the website of this software provides you video tutorials. For the beginners, it's a pretty good thing. You can just directly learn the software and its feature from the website, and you can start implementing and creating some great content. So that's it guys from my side. These are the 6 video editing softwares that you guys can use to start your video editing journey. Since all these softwares are free to use, you can try all of them and then choose which one is best for you. Do let me know in the comment sections what other video editing tools you guys use to edit your videos. So I hope this video is a good help for you. Do like this video and subscribe to Digital Learning 44 to keep learning digitally, and I'll see you in the next one.